sorry.
No, no problem. Matthew Lee, Inner City Press, on behalf of the Free UN Coalition for Access. Thanks a lot for the briefing. I just want to, I mean, it's interesting, and I'm going to check it out. I just want to make sure that I'm not misreading something wrong. I mean, Omagine is it accurate to describe it as a real estate company or tourism and entertainment company?
It's a tourism company.
Okay.
It's the agreement that there's this company, a New York public company that is a shareholder of the local company, Omagine LLC, which is an Omani company. That Omani company has a contract with the Ministry of Tourism.
Right.
And why tourism, by the way? Because tourism is a great job generator.
Right.
Outside of the fossil fuel industry.
I just wanted, I mean, because, and this is, and you know, so I'm looking around, so I
All
just
right.
wanted to make sure you would know. This article that was in Seeking Alpha in February, the headline is, Omagine's margin of safety is very real, and it says that Omagine Inc., a Delaware-based holding company, is a stock the market has apparently left for dead. This is the same company?
That's the same company.
Okay, so I get, what I want to know, my question is, what's the relationship between this, it's a pretty respected financial site, what's the current financial, I guess I'm here at the UN, we had a lot of things come through.
Is there a question here?
Yeah, my question is as follows. Given that there was recently at the UN a scandal that's given rise that was based on real estate development in Macau, you may have heard of it, John Ashe.
I don't know about it.
You don't know about that? I mean, it's
No,
a
I
pretty, well, read the Wall Street Journal, because the former president of the General Assembly is under house arrest for trying to promote a real estate development. I'm not saying you guys are doing it. What I want to, my question is simply, what is the relationship between this publicly traded company that's described
Okay.
in Seeking Alpha as worth more dead than alive, and these
Well,
high-sounding
actually,
principles?
if you know about finance and financial reporting, you would understand that is an extremely positive statement. No,
I'm looking at the article.
No,
Do you want to- should I read another quote from
I'm familiar
it?
with the article,
Okay.
okay? So basically what he's saying, the margin of safety of buying Omagine stock is so high. In fact, he makes the proclamation in that article, higher than any other single publicly traded company. And here's the reason, because nobody believes it. We're a little company. We took control of this company in order to execute on this project. And we've worked on it for many years. We are publicly traded, we are SEC qualified, we are fully reporting, we are audited by auditors here and by Deloitte and Touche there, and we had our accountings checked by people like Price Waterhouse. So while I understand your concern in asking the question, and I'm not offended to answer it, I assure you that Omagine Inc., this small, special-purpose public company, owns 60% of the stock of Omagine LLC, and the other shareholders in that company, Omagine LLC, are the ruler of the country and a $5 billion construction company, multinational construction company, with 180,000 employees. So those are the facts. And
But you're still seeing this article as a positive article? Because I can.
Ask any financial guy to read that article.
It says at $1.34 a share, the stock is trading for less than
Yes.
12% of the company's net current assets.
Okay, so here's
This means the market values it is less than what it has.
Yes, what it's saying is, the stock price is remarkably less than the value of the company. And that's true.
I mean,
The company has a book value of about $23 a share, and the stock trades for $1 or $2 a share. So he's saying that's why it's so safe.
I have to go to my session, but you
I'm
guys
sorry.
could continue the discussion. No, please go ahead. You could continue, but...
No, but I encourage you to find a guy, a Wall Street Journal financial reporter, or anybody that does this stuff all the time, you know, and by the way, it's a small company stock, you know, it has to work. Our lawyers tell us, your problem, Frank, is that you disclose so much. So we're
Is there
very,
anything else for me?